Now, let's move on to the next part, which is specification number 2. This specification asks us to list the main components of blood. According to the syllabus, blood is made up of 4 key components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. It is important to remember that a blood vessel itself is not considered a component of blood. Instead, blood vessels are the pathways through which blood flows. The actual components of blood are the cells and fluid found within these vessels. When we talk about blood, it is not simply a red liquid. Blood is a complex tissue made up of several components, and its red color is mainly due to the presence of red blood cells. But overall, blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Approximately 55% of blood is plasma, which is the liquid portion, while the remaining 45% is made up of the cellular components, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Each of these components has a specific role in keeping the body functioning properly, and together they make up the blood that circulates throughout the body. So, when we list the components of blood, we find that blood consists of plasma and 3 main types of blood cells that float within it. These cells are suspended and carried by the plasma. The 3 types of blood cells present in plasma are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The white blood cells can be further divided into lymphocytes and phagocytes. Together, these cells float in the plasma, forming the cellular component of blood. This is how blood flows within a blood vessel. As it is not just a simple liquid, it is made up of several main components that allow it to flow smoothly through the vessels. It is described as a fluid connective tissue because its cells are suspended in a liquid medium. Blood consists of 4 key components. Plasma forms the liquid portion in which all blood cells float. Red blood cells are the most abundant cells and give blood its red color. Along with them, white blood cells and platelets are also suspended in the plasma. Together, these components flow continuously through blood vessels as blood circulates throughout the body.